We have a bird that pecks on the window. Listen, like he was trying to get to these birds right here. They're not even real. But I think he wants to mate with them birds. But look at this. Look at him. You'll see him. I'm gonna blow it up. And then listen to him pecking on the he pecks on the window. Watch this. You hear that all day. We get him away and he come right back. Watch this. He must know I'm watching him. Because he would have pecked on that through his, see, look at, see there? See, he keep on knocking on it. I think he's trying to mate with them birds over there. I moved them out of the windowsill because they used to be like right here. They was right over here. I set them, put them right there, but I moved them. See? He just hit it again. Wait a minute, hold on, where you at? Wait a minute. Wait. There you go. See, he hit on it again. See? You hear him? This bird keeps on hitting on the window. He's trying to mate with them birds that ain't even real. They're inside of that lamp. He comes every day and he beats on the window. See? What you think is his deal? You hear? Hey baby, I'm just filming the bird.